let it bang, bang.
Successfully installed the setup. Now you can go for interacting it with. So there are two options. First, you can go with the command prompt, and simply you can interact with the interpreter. Here it is the Python interpreter. You can perform simple commands like addition and subtraction and simply multiplication, and similarly all the arithmetic operations. And also here you can write the codes, like for example for I in range 0 to 10, and here you have to take care of indentation. If you do not take care of indentation, then the error will be generated. So here you can see that 0 to 9 is printing, and now we can also go for if statement. For example, if you do not take care of indentation, it will generate error. Let's see here, if I don't give indentation, then it will give error. It will give error. See, there is a indentation error, so we have to provide it because Python is the indented language. So you have to write like this, give the indentation and write. And the indentation you can give by pressing tab, or also you can let's check for a space also. So for a space it will also work, but better you can go for tab. Just go for tab, and here you can see that it is printing successfully. Now next step is to interacting with IDLE. Is a Python built-in it is a built-in intelligent environment where you can interact with it. So we will see interacting. Another way is to write the code in the IDLE. In the IDLE you can also create a file and then save it with the name, and then you can write the code, like say for example I in range 0 to 10, and you can print I. Using IDLE is far better than using interpreter. Here you can also write multiple lines of code. So let's run it. So you can see that you can also write the code using this IDLE.
Let it bang, bang.